What's up guys, EPICJONTUAZON here, and today we are working on a 2022 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4xe. This is the hybrid edition, and this is actually the first electric vehicle I've ever worked on. So let's take a quick look around, see what it's got, and then let's dive into today's sponsor. Okay, and today's sponsor is OEDRO, and they are coming through with some fresh side steps to help us get into the Jeep a little bit easier. These are really nice, well made. If you've seen any of my videos before, OEDRO makes quality stuff. I actually have their tonneau cover on the F-150, so really cool stuff if you want to check them out. They have a lot of off-roading gear and just great gear in general, high quality stuff. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the factory panel right here, and then mount this up and then tighten all the screws down. Okay, so underneath the Jeep, you're gonna notice the OEM kickstand, or the OEM runners, have a couple bolts that you're gonna need to remove. I'm gonna show you one set right here. So this right here, this is the main bolt. This is a 13 millimeter. If you're gonna move that out, and then there's two bolts holding it to the frame as well on the right and the left, and these are both 10 millimeter. Not sure if you can see that. Try to get the camera as low as I can, but again, the main bolt's in the middle, and then on the right and the left there are two smaller bolts that you're gonna have to undo, and there's 3 sets of those per rocker panel. And so OEDRO provides you with some hardware. So the 2 studs that you're gonna have to run through here, you're gonna have to set up on the new runner. I'm assuming you're gonna take these silver bolts, use a washer, a locking washer, and then the nut at the end with another locking washer, just to help hold it in place. And then you'll do it with, you can drive the bigger black bolts up into the frame to help solidify it in place. So there you have it, the OEDRO runners installed on the 2022 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4xe edition. I believe these are compatible from 2018 to 2022. So if you're interested in these specific models, I'll leave them down in the description below. Also, a big shout out to today's sponsor, OEDRO. Thank you for sending out such a great product. If you're interested in seeing what else they have to offer, definitely check them out on their website or on their Amazon page. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. See ya.